Welcome to Bengaluru's premier exhibition, Darcbuild, where innovation meets architecture and construction materials.
It's a pleasure to participate in Bangalore with Darc, and we have found the platform extremely beneficial for the brand.
The response what you people have gotten, and this is what we made us to come once again to the Darc solution for that.
It was the great experience here.
It's been a very pleasant and a nice experience.
On behalf of the Meenakshi Steel Company, we thank the Darcbuild organization and the association for giving us an opportunity.
This year we had a great experience to exhibit in Darc. Looking forward for next year also.
Till now, so far so good.
It's a great honor to be here, and it's a very great event in here. Thank you, Darc.
Zion and Darc group, one of the best group I have ever come across.
It's been just a fabulous. I have to say that the exhibit in Bangalore is by far always the best.
This particular event, what I watched, I saw a very fine sense of discipline in the organization.